You're probably wondering what's that? That's a water truck accident, our truck, and people are collecting water from the tank because in this part of the world, our clean and safe water is famously known as liquid gold. Our solution is unique because we focus on low-income individuals on a family level, where the economy of the country depends on. We have impacted people's health, food they cook, and the machine they use, especially on the energy sector. Our vision lies in aiming to democratize clean and safe water. Its access has to be for everybody, not for the few who can afford to buy bottled water. The prize money will help us to reach more than 2 million people by making our water even more affordable. And why should we win? Poverty, low education, and conflicts, and so much more, has been mainly influenced by water shortages in Africa. People are wasting valuable time to look for water for miles. Our solution will save that person's time and energy, which will allow him to be more productive for better Africa.